Hello learners, welcome to Arpit course on emerging trends and technology in library and information services. I am Shankar Chavan, assistant librarian, IIT Delhi. I will be covering the topic content management system. In this topic I am covering what is content management systems, type of content management systems, what a content management does, features of content management systems, advantages of content management systems, evolution of content management systems, Drupal versus WordPress versus Joomla, then trends and the market shares of the content management system. Over the decade, the content management system has seen as unprecedented growth from static web page built on HTML to customized site developed using PHP to give personalized experience. Initially, in 1990s, we had flat HTML5, then there was dynamic HTML to create interactive and animated website by using a combination of static markup languages. Apple.com at the birth of World Wide Web in 1992. Then there was GeoSites, a web hosting service later acquired by Yahoo in 1999. During this time, GeoSite was the third most visited site on the World Wide Web. It was the first kind of the web based content management system that allows users to manage their website. This is a concise history of CMS in 1990s. On contrary to this, 2000s scenes that the massive development from basic HTML to dynamic HTML web pages to proprietary and open source content management system. These are the top 3 open source content management systems: Drupal, WordPress, Joomla. What is content? Content is created through editorial process. The process is what humans do prepare information for publication or to an audience. It involves authoring, editing, reviewing, approving, versioning, comparing and controlling. Content is information produced through editorial process and ultimately intended to human consumption via publication. Content is in essence any type or unit of digital information. It can be text, image, graphics, video, sound, document, record, etc. Or in other words, it can be anything that is likely to be stored and managed in an electronic format. What is content management system? A content management system is a software package that provides some level of automation for the task required to effectively manage content. A content management system is usually server based multi-user software that interact with content stored in a repository. This repository may be on the same server as part of the same software package or in a separate storage facility entirely. A content management system allows editor to create new content, edit existing content, perform editorial process on content and ultimately make that content available to other people to consume it. Logically, a content management system is comprised of many parts: the editing interface, repository, publishing mechanism, etc. So, a content management system is a tool to assist in and enable the theoretical idea of content management. So, content management system is an application software that provide you an easy environment to manage your digital content, data such as text, image, music, video, document, etc. The content management system can be classified in 4 groups, that is web content management, enterprise content management, digital asset management, record management. The web content management system is primarily intended for mass delivery via a website. The enterprise content management system for general business content, not necessarily intended for mass delivery or consumption. For example, employee resume, incident report, memories. This flavor was more traditionally known as document management, but label has been generally over the year Enterprise content management system excel in collaboration, access control and file management. Digital asset management, the management and manipulation of rich digital assets such as image, audio, video for usage in other media. Record management, the record management is basically for transactional information and other records that are created by as byproduct of business operations, for example, sales record, access record, contract, etc. So, what content management does? Control content, permission, who can see the content, who can change it, who can delete it, state management and workflow. Is this content published? Is it in draft? Versioning, how many times that content changed, what did it look like the 3 months ago, how does that version differ from the current version, can I restore or republish an older version? Dependency management, what content is being used by what other content, if I delete this content, how does that affect other content, what content is currently unused. Search and organization, how do I find a specific piece of content, how do I find all content that refer to X, how do I group and related content so it is easy to manage. Allow content reuse, using content in more than one place and in more than one way increase its value. For example, a new article appear on its own page, but also as a teaser on a category page and in multiple related article sidebars. An author bio appears at the bottom of all the articles written by the person. A privacy statement appears at the bottom of every page on a website. In these situations, this information is not created every time in every location, but simply retrieved and displayed from a common location. Allow content automation and aggregation. We can allow user to consume content in other formats such as PDF or other ebook format. We can automatically create list and navigate for our website. We can create multiple translations of the content to ensure we deliver the language most appropriate to the current user. We can alter the content we publish in real time based on the specific behavior and condition exhibited by our visitors. The increasing editorial efficiency. The ability of editor to create and edit content quickly and accurately is enormously affected by the platform used. Editor efficiency is increased by a system that controls what type of content editor can and cannot add, what formatting tools are available to them, how their content is structured in the editing interface, how the editorial workflow and collaboration are managed, and what happened to their content after they publish. A good CMS enables editor to publish more content in a shorter time frame. It increases editorial throughput and to control and manage the published content with lower amount of frictions or drag on their own process. The features of content management system. The most important feature of content management systems are that you can create dynamic web page without any programming and design knowledge. Content management system is theme based, which provide you option for various open source and premier design themes which can be integrated easily without any designing knowledge. Plugin extend the functionalities of content management system which can be used to add new required module. Content management system sites are search engine optimization friendly. It means site built in content management system can be easily optimized for search engine listing. Content management systems support multilingual, which allow user to translate content in their language. Content management system has built media management system, which is used to manage image, music, document, etc. and can be used with text content. Advantage of content management system. Content management system is free and open source platform under GNU General Public License. Design theme customization in CMS is very easy. It allows you to manage users with different role and permissions. Content management systems media management is quick and easy to use. Content management system provides what you see is what you get editor to manage your text content, which is very useful for manipulating the layout of the document. There are so many content management systems are available. The popular content management systems are, we can divide in the open source and the proprietary content management systems. Open source content management systems are WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Typo3, Concrete5, Django CMS, Grave CMS, Open CMS, Open WGA, C1 CMS. The proprietary content management softwares are the Microsoft SharePoint, IBM Enterprise Content Management, Plus CMS, Sitecore, Shopee, Kentico. The evaluation of content management systems. So, what is best suitable for me or my organization that can be fulfill the organization needs and requirements. So, there are some checkpoints are there for each activities. So, which is listed here. The content management, does it has a flexible rich text editor which enable formatting option as well as an HTML view for more complex tasks. Can we quickly and easily upload image and organize them? Does the system allow in-app resize and cropping of the uploaded image? Can video from video services like YouTube, Brightco, Vidyard be embedded into pages? How is frequently updated content? Do these require custom code or there templating issues which support these types of the content? How easy it is to update content models for particular site items? For example, adding a new field to a page, do you need developer support or can this be handled by expert CMS user? Does the system allow reuse of content? Can we update primary and secondary navigation items and structure based on the structure of the pages within the CMS? Can you easily preview content development or update without having to publish? Can redirect be handled within the CMS? Can you easily view dependency for asset or pages? Does the system allow easy handling of metadata? Is the front end of the CMS easy to use and something that will suit variable skill level of the internal staff? Does the system allow additional of schema markup? Integration. Does the content management system allows for integration with the corporate market automation platform? If so, how easy it is? Does the system allow for integration with corporate CRM applications? If so, how easy it is? Does the systems allow for integration with corporate digital asset management application? Does the content management systems integrate with corporate single sign on mechanism? Can we integrate with the corporate social media channel? Does the system integrate easily with the third party translation service for multilingual content management? Can we integrate the CMS with corporate back office system? Does the system integrate easy with our e-commerce platform? Publishing. Does the system allow to configure publish page to multiple environment? Can we save the draft of the page update without publishing? Can we publish across multiple channel, for example, social media as well as the web? Does the publishing a page also publish dependency object or do these need publishing separately? Can you schedule the publishing and unpublishing of the page? Can we roll back the published page? What impact does unpublishing a page have on dependency page? Is there reporting in place to mitigate the impact of the unpublishing? Permission or user management. Does the content management system allow granular configuration of user permission? Can these permission be set at both global and functional level? Does the content management system allow configuration of user role based on the permission set? Can user be assigned to multiple roles if required? Is the onboarding of new users easy? Do reviewers, editors have access to the content management system? If so, can they comment directly on that page? Can we do bulk update on the user permission and roles? In workflow, do the built-in workflow management tools allow us to easy configuration to comply with the corporate editorial process? Can workflow be amended or created to reflect internal changes without development support? Can translation workflow with possible third parties can be configured to comply with corporate editorial process? Versioning, do all elements of the content management system have versioning mechanism? Are all versions tagged by users and date modified? Can a side-by-side comparison of the version be viewed? Can the system roll back to previous version of an asset simply? Does the system report on dependency affected by rollback? Taxonomy, how does the content management system allow you to categorize your content? Can you easily update, add, delete taxonomical items? What does this implementation allow you to do with regards managing content, the back and the front end? Can the taxonomy be localized if needed? Built-in apps, what built-in apps can come as standard with the content management system? Do these offer value and justify the license fee? What built-in apps are available within the system, but require extension to the license fee? Do these offer new functionality which may change the scope of possibility on offer to support the marketing strategy? Infrastructure, are there any restriction from the corporate IT around what type of content management system will support, for example, Windows, .NET versus LAMP versus Java and others? Does the vendor system conform that to these restrictions if they exist? Are the terms of corporate information security policy upheld? If corporate IT requires to be set up multiple environment, are there any implication from the vendor to work across multiple environment? Does the content management system have a backup function? Does this conform to the corporate IT team's requirement? Does the content management system have security protocol in place to fend off brute force attack? If required, is the content management system impacted by auto scaling requirement? Analytics, does the application come with an analytic package as a standard? If analytics is an add-on or module or service, does this offer any enhancement or insight or data that other analytical packages we use, for example, Google Analytics or Omniture do not have? Does the analytics offering provides insight across all channels being used to publish to? For example, can we get insight from social media as well as the standard web pages? Does the analytic dashboard or front end requirement special training for users, or is the user interface simply and effective, but allow scaling for more in-depth data analytical requirement? Does the analytics offering allow export in various format of raw data to allow for future non-standard data modeling? Can we create our own report and dashboard within the analytical package? Support, is there any suitable document or all user type and level of support internal requirement? Does the vendor offer 24/7 support? Do they have a development roadmap for future releases? Does this fit with the corporate marketing strategy? Do future release look like strong features enhancement, or does it look like feature bloat? Does the vendor have a proven track record of fixing bugs or issue quickly, securely and in timely fashion? Does the system have an online user community? Are the users highly engaged? Does the vendor support staff getting involved with the user community and provide guidance and insight? Do we need specialized developer skill to be able support and enhance the application? If so, does the vendor offer developer support or courses? Drupal, WordPress and Joomla, these are the three softwares which is highly used for the content management. All these three are open source content management softwares available freely. You can directly download and use it with the, and you can modify as you like. All the three platforms have developed a community of their own consisting of developer, designer, trainer, user and volunteers. The communities are aimed at making the platform a better content management system by sharing the knowledge, supporting the users, organizing events, solving the issues and many more. All the three platforms are based on PHP and MySQL. All three of them are use theme template for the design and plugin extensions or module for adding functionalities and features. So, when you compare the three highly used open source content management systems, all the three open source softwares are free. WordPress is free, Joomla free and Drupal also free. When you see the number of the percentage of usage of these three, the WordPress is top with 58.90%, the second is the Joomla with 7% and Drupal 4.7%. Globally, they are using for their websites. Installations is WordPress is one click installations, Joomla also in one click installation, within 10 minutes you can finish it. Drupal also it is very easy installations. The themes, there are thousands of themes available for all these WordPress, Joomla and Drupal. In the functionality wise, all these three are very good. For example, some of the examples of the WordPress, Joomla and Drupal websites are: WordPress are using by Chicago Sun-Times, Vegas. The Drupal is using by the UIDA, the Aadhaar for others, they using the Joomla, and Drupal in our IIT Delhi website and library website is using, even the MHRD website is developed by using the Drupal. Even if you see the US Department of Energy, they are using the Drupal softwares. The trends of content management systems and market share, when we see from 2011 to 2019, in 2011 the 76% of the websites they were built with the codings, they were not using any content management systems, but in 2019 when it comes compared to 2011, it has reduced to the 43%. It means that the 57% are using the content management systems, and the WordPress is the top one, which in 2011 it was 13% and it is slowly increasing, and now in 2019 it is a 34.6%, Joomla is 2.80%, Drupal 1.80%, the Shopify 1.70%. If you see the top three, the WordPress is covering the maximum numbers of websites which is using the globally. So, in conclusion, I can conclude like this, that the content is in essence any type or unit of digital information. It can be text, image, graphics, video, sound, document, record, etc. Content management system is an application software that provides you an easy environment to manage your digital content, data such as text, image, music and document. Using content is more than one place and in more than one way is increasing its value. A good content management system enables editor to publish more content in a shorter time frame. WordPress, Joomla, Drupal are open source free softwares and they are popularly used globally. Some form of content management process or system is become essential for all organizations with a significant web presence as the amount of digital content continue to be proliferate. As the web moves from smaller information design website into larger rapid changing sites, the need for strong management tools become pressing. So, thank you all. For any information questions, please feel free to write me to my email ID shankar.chavan@library.iitd.ac.in or shankarrao.chavan@gmail.com. I would like to express my sincere thanks to authors of various internet sources used to prepare this presentation.